Alright, so welcome to my channel. I always want to bring you the most relevant content to the time we live. So in these times where you cannot travel a lot, I want to talk to you about traveling guitars. So I have here this one. This is my main traveling guitar. It's a headless guitar. It's a Harley Benton THR10ii, I think. But this one is a very famous guitar. This specific guitar is a very famous one. This is a prototype, and it was reviewed in the Agrifish YouTube channel. I will leave the link below. It differs from the production model because it has different electronics. It has push pulls to do coil splits. Only a three-way switch. It has a stainless steel fret, and as with everything with Harley Benton, good luck trying to find it. They have a new model now. Good luck trying to find that. It's around $450, a little more with shipping, maybe close to $500. I think the new model, which has a roasted maple neck, is a bit more expensive, but it's a very light guitar. It sounds great. I did change the pickup. It comes with Rosewood pickups. I put some Kiesel pickups in it because I didn't like the Rosewoods perfectly. This sounds much better. Everybody that has heard it loved it. So this is one of the guitars. Even though I'm only talking about electric guitars, I'm including this one because this is a Yamaha SLG200S. It has steel strings. It's an acoustic guitar formally, but you can only use it either with headphones. It has a headphone jack here. It has reverb incorporated, and it has a button to make it sound more acoustic or more like a piezo. So you can mix that up. It has a battery, but I'm including this here in this review. I'm going to make later a review about traveling guitar, acoustic traveling guitars. But this one, because you need an amp or a headphones to use it, and if you're going to use an amp, you're going to need some kind of adapter because active pickers normally do not fare well with wireless systems, which is what I use mostly. Because the amp I use is this Yamaha. This is the THR10ii wireless, and so if you're going to use this adapter or something like it, you're going to need to have some kind of adapter. There is an L adapter that works. I have one over there. So that's how you will use that. This is a great guitar. It sounds great. You can take this part out, so it travels. It's long, but you can travel with it. It kind of looks like a rifle, so maybe put something to indicate that it's a guitar. And the other thing that I use for traveling and not to bother people is the Waza Air. These are amps in a headphone, okay? Also wireless, so you also need the adapter for this if you're going to use the acoustic. The electric guitars, if they don't have passive pickup, they don't need it. The Waza Air is basically an amp in a headphone. You just plug this into your guitar and you can hear it. There is an app that you can configure pretty much similar to the Katana. They do not come with a case. I found this case that fitted fairly well, I think, without deforming them too much, and you can leave the adapter there, and I think it works. So that's the Waza Air, which I also use for traveling. And now, the new member of this family, and the reason for this video, I'm gonna unbox here, live, on the air, a new electric traveling guitar. So, take this out. Right? What we have here, we have a very tiny inside box. Good. Okay, it's open, so I don't need a knife. Lucky for me, so I don't have one. I'm going to put something else in this box. Now there's some things here. I have some kind of packing slip. A drum thing, another thing, I don't know, nothing. Seems like that's it, hopefully. Let's see what is inside here. It's a Harley Benton. It's called the ST Travel Guitar. If you can guess, it is, comes with a cable, a tremolo bar, and wrenches to adjust it, which we'll see how much adjusting it needs. I'm just opening it now. So this Harley Benton is, guessed from the name ST, is a Stratocaster that they basically cut off the top part of it As with all the Harley Bentons, I have to repeat this, good luck finding one. Because I bought it and a day later it was out of stock, and now it has disappeared basically from the Toman side, at least in the US, and it is out of stock in the Harley Benton side. So as you can see, it's just like a Stratocaster where they cut a bunch of the body. So it's small, it is very light, it has 3 pickups, a 5-way switch, volume, tone, and tone. So I'm guessing it's going to be the normal tone for this one, and this tone for this one. So you keep this in 10 and this in 6. That's how you do it. You leave it here. You don't need more than that. So that's it. I have to say that the finish looks good. The thing with this guitar is that it costs $75. So you can get it shipped to the United States for something around $120, $130. And that's what I did the moment I got it. Good luck finding it, because it's no longer in the sites. So that's it. What do you think? Are we gonna travel again with guitars? Well, I'm ready for it. How about you? Bye, subscribe, like, do the things.